How to change the opacity of a video in CAPCUT PC. Drag your background video onto your timeline. Now drag the video that you want to change the opacity on top of your background video. And as you do that, the video you want to change the opacity on will be already selected. Play, let's check it out. Now as your video is selected, go to the top far right corner of your CAPCUT PC screen where you have video, and under it basic. Scroll down to where you can see blend. Ensure that the blend box is already ticked, and under it you'll see opacity. That's the opacity slider that we need for this project. Decrease the opacity slider to reduce the opacity of your video, and as you can see, as we are reducing it, it's becoming shallow, and we can see the background video under it. Let's play to check it out. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorial videos like this.